The 2008 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, power windows, heated driver's seat, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, trip computer, leather seats, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, tilt steering wheel, heads-up display, heated passenger seat, privacy glass, remote window operation, power heated outside mirrors. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.